How to build an online store in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or build an online store for your customer in Wix Studio. It's gonna be very easy step because we're gonna use free templates from Wix Studio. So first you can open your dashboard in Wix Studio, and then as you can see, I only have one website here. This is not online store or e-commerce website, so I'm gonna create new one here by click this button, and then you will be brings to this page. You have to choose if you want to start from a blank canvas or start from a template. We're gonna choose start from a template here, and then we'll be in this page. As you can see, there are a lot of templates here from different industry or categories. So we're gonna choose e-commerce here, and it will show all of the e-commerce templates. So you can, if you create it for your clients or your customer, you can ask them what the template they want. Maybe they have a preference. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, or maybe this one, and then you can click view here if you want to show the preview. If you want to see the preview, and as you can see, this is the desktop preview. And let's see for the tablets, and this one for the tablets, and for the mobile phone, this one. And if you think it's good for a customer and they are agree, you can choose it. Then you can just click edit templates here. And then you will be in this website editor. As you can see, this is your new website. You can modify it according to your client's needs and requests. And let's say you already modify everything here, and then you can just click publish here. Then you can choose the domain. You can ask your customer or clients if you what's the name for your site, maybe online store like this. And then you can just click save and continue, and it's done. As you can see, this is your customer's website, e-commerce website. You can click it to see it, and yeah, this is your website. Everything is good. So yeah, I think that's it. How to create your online store or e-commerce for your client. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.